Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and tutor ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang LCM. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Imagine this. Jack and Jill joined a bike race. Sino kayang mauuna sa kanila? In the race, Jack and Jill have to take different routes. But don't worry, they will still meet at the same finish line. Ang pinagkaiba lang ng dalawang ruta ay ang distance between the water stations. In Jack's route, there is a water station every 3 kilometers. In Jill's route, there is a water station every 5 kilometers. Now, the question we need to answer today is, in how many kilometers will Jack and Jill be at a water station at the same time? In math terms, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Before we can answer our question, let's first define some important terms, starting with multiple. What is a multiple? A multiple is the answer you get when you multiply a number to another. For example, when we multiply 7 and 2, we get 14. When we multiply 7 and 5, we get 35. And when we multiply 7 and 7, we get 49. This means that 14, 35, and 49 are all multiples of 7. And now, what is LCM? LCM stands for least common multiple. It is the smallest number that is a common multiple of two numbers. Okay, pero paano ba natin mahahanap ang LCM ng dalawang numbers? Let's go back to our problem as an example. Remember, makakarating si Jack sa mga water stations kada 3 kilometers, habang si Jill naman makakarating kada 5 kilometers. Para malaman natin kung saan sila magkakasalubong, we need to find the LCM of 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 will be the distance that both Jack and Jill will ride before they meet each other sa water station. Kaya, mag-solve na tayo. For step 1, let's skip count with the smaller number to identify if the bigger number is its multiple. Kung ang sagot natin ay yes, then that means 5 is the LCM of 3 and 5. Pero kung no ang sagot natin, ibig sabihin kailangan pa nating mag-solve. Subukan nga natin. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. I think we need to stop here first. We already skipped number 5. That means 5 is not a multiple of 3. So our answer to step 1 is no. Kaya we need to go to step 2. Para sa step 2, itutuloy lang nating ilista ang mga multiples ng parehong numbers until we are able to find a match. Wala namang rule kung ilang multiples ang kailangang ilista. Pero para safe, we can list around 3 to 5 multiples for each number. So, ituloy lang natin yung nasimulan na natin sa number 3 kanina. Ito ang mga multiples na nakita ko so far. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Ayan, nakaka-5 multiples na tayo for number 3. So, tigil muna tayo dito. Gawin naman natin yung sa number 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Teka, parang may parehas na ata. Notice how both 3 and 5 have 15 as their multiple. That is also the first multiple that they have in common. Remember, it should be the least common multiple, kaya siguraduhin mo muna na walang ibang number na nauna. And kapag sigurado ka na, we now know that the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So, kung babalikan natin ang questions kanina, in how many kilometers will Jack and Jill be at a water station at the same time? Or in math terms, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Alam na natin na magkakasalubong si Jack and Jill sa water station after 15 kilometers. We know this because the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Subukan natin ang bago nating natutunan. I'd like you to find the LCM of 4 and 8 and 5 and 6. You may pause this video to try and solve on your own. Then you can press play again to see the correct answers. Okay, now let's see the correct answers. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8, and the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Good job! You finished watching our video about LCM from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!